Hi.
Hello,
Hello. Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you too. Your name is Bianca?
Yeah, Bianca. Uh-huh.
Okay,
You're
great
very
name. My name is Ramzan. I am from India.
Wow, Ramzan from India. That's so interesting. India is such a beautiful country.
Yes, it's looking like you were also Indian. Is it like that?
That I'm Indian?
Yes.
No, I'm not Indian. I sometimes I get that a lot. Some people think I'm Indian or maybe like from the Middle East, but I'm not. I don't know why I look that way, but I'm not. I think it's my father. He looks like he's an Arab, but
Okay.
his dad is Mexican and his mom is like, I don't even know what ethnicity she is, so I don't know why I look this way. That's so funny. So
Okay.
Ramzan, how are you?
I am great. And what's your profession?
So I'm a tutor here on Cambly, but I
Mm-hmm.
also have a small business.
Mm-hmm.
I
Hello.
do- Can
Sorry,
you
I
hear me?
couldn't able. No, the connection has been broken.
Oh, can you hear me now?
Yes, now I can hear you.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh my goodness, maybe the internet is bad. So I
Mhm.
was saying that I am a tutor on Cambly, but I'm also a carpenter. I have a
Mhm.
small business with my brother. So that's
Okay.
what I do. What about you?
I am a software developer, so I develop websites and mobile apps, and I'm working as a freelancer. And I have few clients outside of India, so just supporting
Oh,
them and also doing troubleshooting for their websites.
yeah, that's so
Yeah,
cool. From what countries do you have your clients from?
those are from Europe and Australia, US.
Oh, that's so good. So your English comes in handy to speak with them.
Yes, that's why I
Yeah.
am practicing here because in that way I would have more confidence. And even if I would have any problem, I made mistakes, so definitely someone would be suggesting me.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, that's so good. And your English is very well. You
Okay, thank
speak good
you.
English.
So
So,
you,
oh no,
yeah,
go ahead.
yeah, I am actually working on my listening skills that how I could able to understand each and every person who is speaking English.
Yeah,
So
that's
for
very
that,
good.
yes, currently I want that I would discuss with you about the culture and I will be asking you a few questions. So in that way, the communication would be more productive.
Okay, sounds great.
So, what is the best thing that you have found in your city where you are living?
The best thing,
Yes,
like in terms of what, like food or just anything?
anything.
Okay. I think the thing that pops out to me to tell you, well, to share with you, is that my city is very small. There's only like 15,000 people in my
Mhm.
city.
Mm.
So it's very quiet and it's calm. And I think it's amazing because most people that I speak to, they come from big cities or big countries where
Mhm.
there's a lot of people, a lot of traffic. While here, you can go out on the street and you see no one or any cars. It's so peaceful. All you see is like trees. It's so good. And the weather is it's okay. It's mostly hot where I live, but sometimes it's very windy. Like right now in March, it's very windy. So that is a great thing about my city. Yeah.
So you are living a peaceful life because of your calmness of city, right?
Yes, I am. Thank God I'm so calm and relaxed.
So you
Yeah.
are living with your family?
Yes, I am. Currently I live with my mom, my older brother, my
Mhm.
father too, and my older sister. But my sister, she's moving out next month because she's getting
Okay. Hello.
Oh, I think
Uh,
it's the internet. Can you hear me now?